Hey, SpongeBob, have you seen Plankton lately?
No, why?
Well, I heard he got hit on the head by a broken air conditioner, and now he can only say 10,000 air conditioners Esquire were hit on the head. It can only It means he's completely brain damaged. He can't say anything else.
Oh no, that's terrible.
10,000 air conditioners Esquire.
See what I mean? He's completely gone.
Why is he saying that?
$10,000 air conditioners Esq.
Wow, Plankton, you're really smart now. You must be the definition of stupidity.
Stupidity? That's a funny word.
Meow. 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 Meow.
10,000 air conditioners Esq.
Maybe we should get him some help.
Help from my army of air conditioners. Wah!
Meow.
Yes, with my new powers of stupidity and an endless supply of air conditioners at my command, I will finally defeat Mr. Krabs and take over the Krusty Krab.
This is just getting ridiculous.
Yeah, but it's also kind of hilarious.
Meow.